Lots of fabulous things for fall from Simple Stories. So keep watching and I'm going to take you through all the new collections. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and today I have a fun little treat. We're going to go through the Simple Stories products for fall. Now I work with Simple Stories and Carpe Diem. They send me product and then I use those products in my projects that I then share with you, and they can use on their blog for marketing as well. So if you want to see the products that I'm going to make with these products, then make sure you hit subscribe. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is just the stuff that's going to be useful for me in the fall. So we're going to start with the School Rocks paper pack, and it's really fun. It's got all these papers. I'll just show you the sort of summary page here. I love these card parts. They're so fun at Star Student. It's really fun. I love it. I love it. Little calculator. Isn't that cute? And then all the papers are all 12 by 12, but then we also get a sticker sheet. So I'll show you that full. So these are really, really, really fun. I love this pencil border. It's really neat. It's the bus. We don't have a yellow school bus, but we do have a school bus, so I can still use that. Then there is Forever Fall, and I think just because of this little foxy guy, this is my favorite collection of the ones I'm going to show you today. So you get these chipboard pieces, and if you followed me for a while, you know that I love using these chipboard pieces as clips for my planner. So I'm going to probably use Mr. Fox and maybe the acorn, I'm not sure. Ooh, I didn't see that. Hello Fall, nice cup of tea and a nice orange mug. Orange is my favorite color. Yeah. Then you get these die cuts, and I'll show you the designs on the back. There's a little bit of a glare, but these are really fun. It's sort of very similar to the ones you get on the chipboard. I love this fox here on the tag. He's really, really cute. Yay! And then there are 243 stickers for 8 sheets. So there's 8 sheets of these stickers, again with the fox, and these are all the stickers. Aren't they fun? I love them. I like these ones best, I think, the little tiny ones. And of course, I love using words in my pages as well. Really fun, really fun. And then there are the papers. So again, I'll show you, these are all the papers here and here, and then the cut apart ones as well. And then I'll show you the full sheet of stickers, which is on the back. There's a lot of papers. There, aren't they fun? So pretty. Love the blue and the orange. Orange is, like I said, orange is my favorite color, and I really like the blue. And this acorn is to die for. Oh, and I've got my thumb on this feather. So pretty, floral. Next up is Halloween, and I have 2 different collections, and this one is the Simple Vintage Halloween. I like that this is sort of a grown-up look that I can use in my planner, and it will look really fun at the same time. I love, like, honest to goodness, I love bats, like real bats. I know I'm a little crazy, but I love this. Can you see that there's sort of a web pattern in the bat? It's really cool. There's 3 of them. There's one up there. There's a spider here, and a skull and crossbones. Can you, like, I'm just weird. I like these kind of things. Maybe it's because I have so many boys. Then there's the die cuts, and here are all the designs. I love this little witch. She's really cute. Yeah, really fun. And then, again, with the stickers, there's, again, 8 sheets, and here they all are. Really fun. I like these ones with the safety pins. Super cool. And then we have the papers. I think my favorite might be the stars, but there's lots and lots of different, this plaid is fun too. Ooh, I'm going to have a look at that one. Really, really fun patterns. And then the cut apart ones are down here. And I will show you the stickers. Here are all the stickers that come with this. I like these little, they're like tickets, I guess, are ripped off, and these are fun. Best costume, candy overload, and I think this is probably my favorite, this black border. And now we move on to the other Halloween collection. This is Happy Halloween, and it's more fun, more kiddish, and it's actually a really small collection. So we have this cut apart sheet, which is really fun. I love the little pumpkins, and this witch is adorable. And then the 5 other papers. And then we have the stickers on the back, and it's just a small, what's the plaid? It's just a small sheet this time. There's that little witch again. So cute. And I love those pumpkins. I think that's my favorite sticker. There's also washi tape with the fall and the vintage Halloween. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I think this one's my favorite, but yeah, I really love them all. And then this is the Halloween one. I'll turn them this way, maybe because the pumpkins go this way. This is Oh, I just love it. I love it. I love all of them. They're awesome. All right, now I'm going to show you my favorites. So in the school collection, this little calculator is my absolute favorite, and it even says hello. I love it. It's so cute. And if you look here, there's a composition notebook, and there is a paper that is just that red composition notebook pattern. So you could use this to cover up one of your TN inserts. Isn't that fun? I love it. Or like a divider or something for a section in your planner, and you could put a label or something, make it look like a composition notebook. So fun for September. And then I really like this paper as well with the typewriter text. It's really fun. Great for a background or an insert or anything. Really fun. Okay, and then there's the fun Halloween, the cutesy Halloween, which is really cute. I adore this cut apart sheet, especially that little bat, because he's so cute. And just all of them. They're just adorable. So cute. Yeah. And then the stickers as well. And my favorite is this one. I don't know why. I think it's a color combination with that little bit of blue. I don't know why. I just really like those two chubby little pumpkins. Then we're on to the vintage Halloween. And I am definitely going to use these bats in my planner as clips because they're awesome and I love bats. And I'm a little weird, but that's okay. And I told you I like this paper the best, and it really is really fun. There's like text in the stars and things, and it's just really fun and versatile. And this is fun because you can cut this apart. It's like different washi strips all layered, and it's just, I don't know, it just gets me. I love washi, so I love it. And this one would be great in a planner too because it's the number. So you can have like a different number for each day in the month of October, or I don't know, you could use it for special days. If you got something special going on one day in October, you can use one of these numbers. And of course, I left fall to the last because it's my favorite. It's really fun. I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to move this out of the way for a second to show you these die cuts. There are some awesome little labels and tags and things, tabs, and I love them, and they're cute, and they'll be perfect in my planner. Then I showed you this feather before. I think it was a sticker, but they also have a die cut, and that tag I showed you before. And this little heart says hello. No, heart, it's a circle. I don't know my shapes. It says hello autumn, and I love the plaid behind, so that's really fun. Then out of these stickers, the 8 sticker sheets, these 2 are my favorites. These because of the feathers and the fox and the bird. I kind of missed the bird before because I saw him here. Where is he? Here. And I'm like, where? I didn't see him the first time through. So I just love the bird. I think I'm going to make a clip out of the bird, the teacup, 1 or more of the acorns, and of course, little fox. And these ones are great for your planner because they have tabs and flags and all kinds of little things. Perfect size for your planner. And these words, I love putting these in my planner as well because they're very motivating and seasonal. So it's a great way to dress up your planner for fall. And then I just want to show you a few of my favorite papers. These ones because I like the colors. This one, I have a pair of pants with this pattern. Actually, I have black ones and then I have navy ones. So that's why I love that one so much. And then these acorns are so pretty. I think I might fussy cut them out and do something with them. Haven't decided what yet, but maybe like a checklist or I don't know, with some of the small ones. Not sure yet. So that's it. Those are my favorites. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite holiday is in fall or what your favorite thing about fall is. And if you got this far, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.